Governor was in Henderson Wednesday meeting with area planners and elected leaders for the groundbreaking of the I-69 Ohio River Crossing project. Now the construction will offer a new link between Henderson and Evansville, and the project will be divided into 3 sections. Section 1 will begin in Henderson right away and is expected to be finished by the year 2025.
You will see a lot of people out here and a lot of equipment working on it. It is going to get us so close to that final piece that, again, what it means is we're going to have multiple interstate systems running through western Kentucky.
The Kentucky Transportation Cabinet says that they expect everything to be completed by the year 2031.